Tammy asks, I just listened to the ancient viral DNA episode, and it got me wondering about junk DNA. Do we call it that because we don't know what it does, or do we call it that because it doesn't affect the human body in any obvious ways? That is a great question, Tammy. Junk DNA is DNA that's not really serving any function in the body. The long answer is really actually a bigger question of what does function even mean?
Right.
Very simplistically, what DNA does is it encodes proteins, except that we have known for a while that a large part of our genome doesn't actually code for proteins. How do you end up with DNA that doesn't encode a protein? Credit for the term usually goes to a scientist named Susumu Ono. In 1972, he wrote a paper called So Much Junk DNA in Our Genome to talk about the fact that in a genome like ours, where you have like multiple copies of a gene, some of those copies might have gotten mutated to the point where they're no longer actually encoding a functional protein, and those are called pseudogenes.